you stay right here with Dad. Okay, come hold my keys. Right over here. Thank you.
I need to hold on in this rope.
I don't know if it's safe for you to hold onto that rope without me, okay? And I gotta be over here. Is this the best angle, you think? People trying to pull it. One more step. Oh, come on. Hi, cow! Hi, cows! Tani, move it! Bravo!